attainment today.
Hey guys, Joe Klemczewski, founder of The Diet Doc, and we're back here for our Macro Minute. Going to be talking about body types today. A lot of feedback from you guys as you're inside the calculator looking at the profiles. And when you get to body type, you're going to see we broke it down into ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. And we've even used these pictures. Again, I hate the fact that this TV has a glare and you can't see them, but if you look at the space inside the calculator where it says body type, you're going to be able to choose one of those. And the questions are always, I don't know what body type I am. So even with those pictures, an ectomorph being, lean and small bone, so to speak. What if you have that frame, but you have extra body fat, and so your body shape might look more mesomorphic, that kind of thing. So there are some descriptions here. Look at that, and to be honest, these aren't three clean categories. We are all on this continuum, and so you might be a hybrid. I, for example, am more of an endomeso. I have a slow metabolism, gain body fat very easily, but I also have pretty good muscle size and frame and strength and so forth. So I'm probably somewhere on that continuum right between those two. So the main thing is, when you do this, if you think you're between two categories of body type, pick both, run through two different profiles and see how that changes in the algorithm. We're doing a lot of analysis of the profiles we're seeing, and even though these are all private, it's giving us a chance to see how people are plotting on the lines of the algorithm we want. So it's very helpful to us for you guys to jump in and see as much as you can through different types of profiles. So that's it for today. Just want to make sure that you understand you could be of a different breed other than just one exact body type. So look at a couple different ones. Thanks guys, and we'll be back again in a day or two. Thanks.